Alrighty. So it's honestly occurred to me that I have not really flown the FPV drone to its utmost capability. So I'm going to try to do something a little bit more reckless today, and we'll try to fly this in low latency. Probably gonna break this today. All right. I took a couple of pretty good hard hits this past flight, and let's see what we got going on here. I wonder if that helmet saved it any. Let's power it down. Ooh, I wasn't going anywhere. I got moss everywhere. Popped the camera loose. The camera was outside of this piece here, but otherwise seems to be okay. Got a little damage right here. It's not terrible. That's flyable. Good Lord. This fucking moss is the worst though. That was easy enough to come out. These props did really good. All right, let's see if we can clean this out. Okay. Yeah, I think all in all, it's fine. Just some minor, like the landing gear is pretty jostled, but maybe I can tighten that back down. Battery's good. Gimbal should be okay. Let's power it back on, see what happens. Yeah,